Welcome to Section 4, Debugging and Troubleshooting Applications with Kibana. This is the last section of the course, so congratulations for having made it this far. In this last section, we will go through some simulated scenarios where the application is failing or generating errors, and so there is a need for debugging and troubleshooting an issue. You will learn how to navigate application logs in Kibana and how to create meaningful monitoring dashboards that help troubleshooting issues when those occur. In this video, you will learn how to create Kibana dashboards showing Kubernetes cluster-level metrics. Click on the Dashboard menu item on the left-hand side and then click on the Create New Dashboard button. From the top of the page, click on Add and then on Add New Visualization. From the dialog window with the various types of visualization types, click on Metric and then select the Logstash index pattern. Now, let's say that we want to see the number of namespaces in which there is at least a pod running in it. For that, we have to build the right query so that Kibana would fetch the information we need and display them in the relevant format. In the Aggregation dropdown, select Unique Count, then, in the Field dropdown, type kubernetes.namespace_name.keyword. And finally, in the Custom Label field, type namespace with at least a pod running in it. Then press the play button. Now click on Save at the top of the page. In the dialog window, repeat what we used in the Custom Label field. Say that we want to show all container images running in the cluster. We can achieve this by using the Table view. This time, in the Table view, the aggregation type we want is the count. In the Buckets section, expand Split Rows and select Terms in the Aggregation dropdown. Then, type Kubernetes container image as field to display. And then, tweak the order by clause to be in the alphabetical order. The size, you can set it to something like 50 or 20. Then switch to the Options tab and set 30 per page. And ultimately, click on the play button and save. Now you can set the visualization title to something like List of container images running in the cluster. With these two initial graphs, we can save the dashboard. Set its title to something meaningful, such as, for example, cluster information. With that, congratulations! You just created your first Kibana dashboard. After having created a monitoring dashboard for our Kubernetes cluster,